Hello everybody and welcome back to the video. In this video, as you can see, I'm wearing my Taekwondo uniform, and that is because I will be teaching you how to tie a Taekwondo belt. We have a special guest here, Master Moh, and he will be teaching you how to do that.
Thanks, Becker. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, before we do class, you have to have your belt on. You want to look sharp. So, all of our color belts at our school, they're single reps. So, first things first, it's a square knot. You want right over left. So whichever end of the belt is on top, we're gonna make sure that does all the traveling. So we keep it laying flat. This is where we make sure it's at the tightness that we want and that both ends are equal. Looks like we're good to go. So now we'll do left over right. And since this one goes over the top, we'll let it travel all the way through. Keep it nice and flat. Go ahead, pull on both ends tightly. There it is. So now that creates a nice arrow symbol in the belt, and it allows the belt to hang over the top, and you're looking fresh. Look strong, train strong, am I right?
Yeah.
Cool.
And that is how you tie a Taekwondo belt.